Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how you can get pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So let's get started. So first things first, of course, you need to create a Ticketmaster account. So what you want to do once you've signed up, you want to go ahead and add to your favorite lists, your favorite artists, performers, teams, and venues to those favorites lists. So you want to sign up for the venue mailing list because some venues actually host their own pre-sales and they'll email you a direct link. So while you have also signed up to these artists, performers, and teams to your favorite list, they will send you pre-sale email notifications about their upcoming sales. And what you can also do, guys, of course, you can pre-order merchandise, where what happens is some labels actually offer pre-sales. So to those who pre-order their merchandise from the online stores. So that is one other way you can do it. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and take advantage of these Verizon Access offers. Okay. So just go ahead and connect your Verizon account because eligible Verizon customers can access pre-sale or offer codes by connecting their account in the account settings. All right. These are some of the ways, guys, to go ahead and get, you know, some pre-sale offers or offer codes on Ticketmaster. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.